going on, guys? You're watching Shelf Airsoft. Let's get into it.
Here we go.
Where's the flag, guys? Where's the flag? Where's the flag? Ryan, throw me the flag. It's the flag. You're right here, right here, right here. All right, that's good. That's good. I got it. Hey, I'm gonna move up. Throw the flag to me. Hey, we got Phil. We got Phil. Watch out. My 12. Hey, throw the flag at me.
All the way over there.
2 down, my 12. Where's it? Where is it?
Right there.
Oh shit.
Oh, good shot.
Good shot, Casey.
Holding down this right side. If you want to do something.
I got Gilly. One more.
Yes, sir. What's another word for pirate treasure?
Well, I think it's booty. Booty.
Thank you.
Booty. That's what it is.
Oh, hit! Yo, are you still in the middle by Bronco?
Sorry. Correct.
Well, I think it's booty.
Gun hit. I'm on your team, dude. Chill. I'm on your team. Oh, no, you're not. Hey, good shot, dude. Hit. What's up, dude? Ah! Ah! I know, right? You want me to make you one?
Sure. Dude, can you hear the craziness when I talk through the mic?
What? Find out.
Oh,
You know, getting up was, alright. You're insane. Oh, actually, hold on. I'm gonna do that. I didn't realize. Oh, I need my gun now.
Hand me that.
Oh yeah, good idea.
That was the. I haven't popped off like that in a fucking while.
Okay, I'm not gonna do
Heavier
it.
than mine is.
She's so sexy.